Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller. I have been doing it for a long time. And today I'm doing an unboxing of a ThredUp shoebox. It's one of the shoe boxes that is I can't remember what they called it, but it's the better there's only 5 pairs and it's the better brand names. I don't know what that means. I don't think they gave us a real idea of which brand names would be included, but I think it was like name brand shoebox or brand name shoebox, something like that. And so I'm gonna try. I've never tried one of those before. I've seen other people do them, and some have been good, some have been kind of not great. But I hope mine's good. Let's just see. But I have to laugh that this box came. I didn't have to. This is how it came. How were shoes? I don't know. How were shoes not? I don't think any of them came out of here, but look at that. I don't know if they did or not. We're going to find out. I kind of peeked in a little bit. I didn't look at all of them, but I think that they're all accounted for. So this is the box. It's one of their bigger boxes. I'm just going to open it like this because look at this. I don't need any box opener. I'm just going to do that. But name brand shoes, yay for that. All right, well, darn. First thing I pulled out is these Keds. They're glittery and they're Keds for Kate Spade. Okay, I guess that's okay. I don't know, and they've got really cute ribbons. Actually, they're a really cute pair of shoes. At first I saw Keds and I thought, Keds. But Keds for Kate Spade for Keds, and they're actually not very used. They're not, there's not a lot of wear to them. They're glittery. They've got ribbons for shoelaces. They're absolutely adorable with those shoelaces. I love ribbons for shoelaces. That's so cute. And then the size, oh wow, okay. They don't look like a size 11, but they are. Let's see, US size 11, yeah. So they're a size 11 Kate Spade for Keds. There's just a little bit of wear on the inside, but not much. So yeah, they're in pretty good condition actually. They don't have a lot of wear on the toes or the soles or anything. It's just the inside has a little bit of wear, but okay. I guess that's okay. I don't know. I've never tried to sell. I didn't even know there was ever a collaboration between Kate Spade and Keds. So all right. Next up is, oh, these are cute. Okay, it's another pair of Kate Spade, but now this time it's heels. Let me get these rubber bands off. Boy, oh boy. They really want them to stay together. They're a size 9B and they're adorable. Kate, oh, what the heck? Oh. These are the shoes. Kate Spade, they're satin. They're in great condition. The only thing I see is somebody put, oh, these come right off. Never mind. Okay, somebody put like a foot padding in there, but I just took it right off. So these are in amazing condition. Assuming I can get this other, let's see if I can peel it off like I did the other one. Yeah, these come right off, so that's good. All right, so here are the shoes. They're in great condition. I wanted to show you, like, there. It's kind of like a giant sequin, and it's on satin. Satin is the exterior, and it's a buckle. So I don't know if you wrap it around your ankle, but I assume you do because that's a really long buckle. Wrap it around your ankle, and the inside you can see they're in excellent condition. Look at that. Size 9B, leather sole, which is great. The heels you can tell are in great condition. So yeah, that's a great shoe. That is a great find. Yay! Those had to be, I bet they were, I don't know, a couple $100, $300. I don't know, but they're great shoes. Size 9B. Nothing wrong with those that I can see. So yay for that. All right. All right. Next up is a pair of Tory Burch. Woo woo! I love getting Tory Burch. These are in, there's a tiny bit of wear, like someone maybe even just tried them on, but there's just not much wear at all. These look like about a size 10 or about a size 10. Let's just look and see. This is a size 11. Okay, I bet these are a size 10. The black ones are an 11. So yeah, I'm gonna say Tory Burch. You know how it is. They never have the size on there, so that's a bummer. I don't know why they don't, but they're gorgeous. Look at these shoes. They're wedge. kind of flip-flops. They've got a cute pattern on them. And then I'll show you the other side. And then they've got an orange. They've got the cute little Tory Burch hardware on them. And of course, it says Tory Burch there. Look how clean they are. It's about 1.5 inch heel, so they're a little bit of a wedge. And I'm going to say there's a tiny bit of a scrape right there. That's about the only thing I can see wrong with it. But I'm pretty sure the reason Tory Burch shoes end up in these boxes is because they never have the size listed on the shoe. So, yeah. I'm going to say it's a size 10, and I'll see if I can compare it to another size 10 that I have here. So, all right, I like that. Next is two pairs of shoes that look to be about the same. Oh, gosh. Oh, okay, Rothys. Nice. These are Rothys, and they are, that's a shadow, by the way. That's not dirt. These are in great condition. They're driving loafers, or people call them driving moccasins. They've got this for the bottom, kind of like a nub, kind of like nubs on the bottom. Just driving loafers have that, driving moccasins. These are in great condition. The inside does need to be clean, but you know you can throw these in the wash machine. So that is great. That is great. These are what size? Please let there be a size. I think you have to pull out the, yeah, 8.5. Women's 8.5 these are. So you can pull this out and see. I think you pull this out when you wash it. I'm not sure. I am not going to wash these. I'll be selling them as is. So, but these are great. These are great. Wow. It's like a penny loafer, but it's a driving loafer. Okay, those are in great condition. The worst part of it is this inside has a little bit of wear to it. So, you can probably throw them in the wash. I'm not sure about the insole. That's why I'm not going to wash them. So, I've never, I've washed others, but this insole seems a little stiffer. So, all right, here's another pair of the same shoe, but in fuchsia size. I thought it's the same size and everything. It is. Yep. It's fuchsia. It's a fuchsia driving loafer, driving moccasin. Hot pink inside. It's got this cute back. There's hardly any wear to these at all. Like, look at the bottom. You can't even see any wear. Wow. This has been, okay, just getting these two pairs of shoes made the box, really. I mean, there's other good stuff in here too, but yeah, but I'll be selling these, so pretty happy with this box. Let me know what you think. I've seen some good items, some bad items. Mostly been pretty good though, pretty good. All right, this is the pair of Rothys. This is another pair of Rothys, 8.5. We have got the Tory Burch, about a size 10. And then we've got the beautiful Kate Spade, size 9, heels, satin, with a sequin flower. And of course we've got the Keds Kate Spade, size 11. Pretty good. I'm liking this box, I have to say. I would definitely get another one of those. I like getting the various sizes because, you know, the people have various sizes, especially on YouTube. If I'm going to try and sell a pair of shoes on YouTube, I like to get a various nice variety of sizes. All right, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you are interested in any of these shoes, send me an email to mysteffstyle@gmail.com. It's $8 shipping for as many as you care to buy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.